Hey everyone, today we're going to be showing you how to format your micro SD card in your GoPro Hero 9 Black. And now this is going to wipe out all the photos, videos, everything you've taken on your GoPro. So make sure you do have them backed up before you do this. It's all done within the settings of your GoPro. But hey, if you're new here, my name is Ken and this is Northern Viking Everyday. And we bring you videos on reviews and how-tos. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. But let's jump right over to my GoPro and show you exactly how to format your SD card. All right, so here we are on my GoPro Hero 9 Black. And if I swipe up from the bottom and click on the dots here in the corner, it's gonna actually bring up all the photos and videos that we're gonna be formatting today. So there's a whole bunch of them there. I'm gonna just go back to the main menu here. And in order to get to the area or the menu where you would format your micro SD card, you just wanna swipe down from the top on your GoPro, just like that. Once you get to this menu screen, you're gonna wanna swipe from right to left. So we're gonna just swipe from right to left, just like that. And you're gonna see an option that says connections, and you're gonna see another one here that says preferences. Go ahead and click on preferences. From there, in the preferences menu, you're gonna wanna scroll all the way to the very bottom, and you're gonna see an option here that says reset. So if I go ahead and click on reset right at the very bottom, you're gonna see an option right here that says format SD card. You can go ahead and click on format SD card, and it's gonna give you the option format SD card, delete all files, and reformat your SD card. If you haven't backed up your SD card, make sure you hit cancel here, but if you are all backed up, you can go ahead and hit format. And it's gonna say formatting. If you have lots of stuff on there, it might take a little bit longer than what it's gonna happen here for myself, but that's about it. That's how easy it is to format your SD card. You can just hit the mode button on the side. It'll take you right back out to your main screen. So I hope this video was able to help you out in formatting the micro SD card in your GoPro Hero 9 Black. If it did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested, I have created a video on how to update the firmware in your GoPro Hero 9 Black. I'll have that link below in the description. You use your phone. It's really easy to do. Make sure you check that video out. Also, remember to connect with me on social media. You'll find all those links below as well. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, take care.